Hey, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install Amazon App Store on your Windows 11 PC. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'll go ahead and grab some. Let's go ahead and get right to it. Alrighty, guys. So go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. Comment down below if you're going to be doing this as well on your own PC. So let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and go in here. I'm using the windowscentral.com tutorial right here. Windows, how to get started with Android on Windows 11. I'm going to have this link in the description as well, guys, so you can go ahead and follow along. But it was pretty much easy. It's telling me basically that you have to have Windows 11, the Windows subsystem for Android. Is the it's got some pretty cool stuff on it. See how to install stuff for Android on Windows 11. So basically, you're gonna want to have 8 gigs of memory for sure. Processor, you're gonna have to have one of these processors or better. Your storage is gonna have to be an SSD, not a HDD. You're gonna have the Microsoft Store app version this or higher, and then Windows 11 build this or higher. So basically, to get started with this, you're going to go into and check all your stuff. You're going to check right here. You got your processor right there. You got your RAM, so you're going to want to check that. You're going to want to check your OS build on your thing, so you want to make sure everything basically is right, and you're able to actually get this on the thing. You go to disks and volume, and you want to make sure it's an SSD right here. So we're just going to be following along right here. Then you're going to check the Windows 11 update. So I always update my PC, so I don't have a problem with that. So basically, I really didn't have to do anything with my actual laptop. My laptop was already ready to go to install this thing. So once you complete the steps, restart the computer to finish applying the system updates. Check for the Microsoft Store update right there. So you're going to go check, and then you're going to go to the Microsoft Store, make sure that it's all the way updated and whatnot, and then enable virtualization, which is the step I'm at right now. So basically, I just went to the store right here. So you go and you type in Amazon here, and Amazon App Store preview right there. Then you're going to go ahead and hit install right there. Use Amazon App Store on your PC. So it says set up right there. Yes, right there. It'll help your PC install apps, and you'll only need to do it once. Get your PC ready for Amazon App Store. So the Amazon App Store preview only works on the Windows subsystem for Android. From Microsoft, this download might take a while, but you only have to do it once, right? So go ahead and download that, and you just hit yes. Make sure everything's smooth. Starting to download, and it's downloading. So I don't know how long this is going to take, guys. It's probably going to take a while, but this is basically what you have to do, what the requirements are. And then once you do that, then you're pretty much good to go. So I'm probably going to end the video here, guys. So if this has been helpful, don't forget to leave a like on the video, and share the video with somebody else that you might want to have Amazon apps on their computer. And pretty sure that the Play Store is going to be coming soon as well. So it's a good thing to just go ahead and get this out of the way now. So, yep, that's going to be about it, guys. I think I'm going to go ahead and cut the recording off here. But I do appreciate you checking the channel out. Subscribe, become part of the, MTR Ninjas. There's a join button down below for as little as 99 cents. During the live stream, I do live streams almost every day, pretty much every day. One short one during the day, and then a longer one at night. And then I do tutorials such as this, so you can get Windows 11 or Android apps on your Windows 11 PC. So thanks for watching. John from Magic Tech Review. Peace out.